This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, you need to launch any search bar of your choice, because unfortunately the Fortnite is not present at Google Play Store. Therefore we'll need to get the installation file from the World Wide Web. In the search bar of your choice, type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Once at this very page, go for the download the app from Epic Games option. Start the file download anyway, then open it, install the Epic Games launcher, launch the Epic Games launcher itself. Here in front of a Fortnite you have this black get button which you need to tap on, and then start the download process of the game. Prior to getting the Fortnite installed, after the download process has been completed obviously, it is required that we let the Epic Games launcher to install unknown apps, which we can do by simply turning this toggle on, confirming the installation. And now, as you can see, the Fortnite game has been successfully installed. Now we can go ahead and launch it. And after the first launch, all that, separates you from actually being able to play the game is the fact that you need to wait until it will download all its required resources, updates, files, and whatever. So once this process gets completed, you can start playing the Fortnite. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.